Hi everybody, it's Nikki Slimer, and today we are making slime, and it's getting like motion and stuff. And we also got this too. So, which one do we open up first? I'm gonna open up this one. That was pretty easy to open. Oh, what's this? Oh. Is this like clay? I don't know. We got instructions. Ooh. This is like a cute blue color. Ooh. Oh, look at these little spoons. They also have these like mixing sticks and spoons. We have clear slime, and the activator should be this one. Yeah, the slime activator. We have dang, why did I do that? Oh, that's cute. A little like plastic thing to keep in. No, something else fell somewhere else. I'm gonna go look for it. Found it. It was just on the side of my bed. It's like another ball thing to keep it in. I feel like something else is on the floor somewhere. And I think there was like the bowls were in here, or hold on, let me see. I think there was another bowl, but I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. Found it. I knew it. There's two of them, so I can make two slimes. There is also these little I'm not sure what to call them, but this is a fish, a seahorse, another seahorse, and a starfish. And the fish, this starfish is that's cool. Well, is this like supposed to be clay or something? I think this is clay. Yeah, 2 clays, 3 type of colors, glitter, and we also bought this. It didn't come with each other. We just bought 2 things. And I'm just asking you guys to please stay home, stay safe, because of all this virus stuff, the coronavirus. It would be okay. I'm sure that it'll be okay. Just make sure you're staying home, staying safe. Make sure to wash your hands. Oh, shoot. Tape. Oh, no. Another side. And, yeah, just make sure you're safe at home. And, yeah. I want to try to make a video tomorrow, you guys. I want to make a video tomorrow, and I'm going to try to, because I'm sure tomorrow's going to be warm again, because lately it's been getting warm. Oh, wow, this is cool. So we got, I'm not sure what's in here, but for some reason it's clear, so I could see what it is. It's white glue, borax solution, red and blue colors, and a little mixing in a bag. Nothing else. Okay, and so uh-oh, made in China, but it's okay. And if you already saw that, if it was made in China, that's okay. Because even if everything was made in China, it's fine. By the way, I'm gonna wash my hands because after touching all this food coloring, I don't want it to stain my hands in accident. Okay, so here's the borax solution. and the white glue. Yeah, there we go. Some clay. The spoons to mix the slime, or something. Other things to mix up the slime. Another thing to mix up slime. Dang. Where are we supposed to put it? Well, since we have 2 of these and 2 bowls, I think this is supposed to be like a container, but I'm gonna use it to mix the slime up. Okay, first I'm gonna use this. Dang, it's stuck on there. So this is what it should look like, and just pour it in. Wait, is this? Could this come off? Can't come off. Ooh. I thought it looks like white toothpaste. Okay, let's try to squeeze it out. This whole bottle, let's squeeze it out. And I also have some more slime in my closet. I think that should be enough. Some YouTubers just ew, hair's in there. I don't know if you can see the hair. I'm trying to get it out. This. You see the hair? I don't know if you can see it, but that's disgusting. I'm not sure if it's my hair. It's probably my hair because my hair's down. Okay, I think that should be enough glue so far. Even though there still is more glue. We're just... Okay. Oh. This thing from the glue fell out. Oh my god. Ew. Okay, now I'm going to put in some food color and put that right there. What food color do I want? Blue or pink? I'm gonna just stick with the theme and I think they mixed it up. I'm gonna put them together. Then I think it's supposed to be clay because it's putty. They said. Oh shoot! I already made a mess with it. Oh my goodness! It got on my table. I don't even know where my towel is. Oh, do I use this? Ooh, that's pretty. Mix it up. Look at that. It's like it's still white and blue at the same time. So like I'm gonna just I'm gonna take that off before it falls in the glue. 1, 2. Putting in 2 drops at a time. So mix it. That's what it looks like so far. That's very pretty. Oh my goodness! Wow. Okay. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm not sure if I should put pink in too, but I'm gonna just put in like 1 more drop into it. I got glue in my hand. Okay, I put in 1 more drop. Fix that. Okay, this is what it this is what it looks like so far. Very pretty. Now, time to put in some activator. Move this slime off and put it in here. I think if we didn't have the bowl right now, this bowl, I don't think that it'll work. I would have to use my own bowl. Okay, now time to mix it. That's cool. I'm not gonna use my hands yet. I'm gonna take this off too, because these keep on coming off and going into my slime. Ooh. I think I put too much activator. Yes, so sticky. Okay, mixing it up. And yeah, this needs a lot. Keep on putting too much at a time. Oh, I think it's done. Starting to use my hands. Look at that. Still sticky. I shouldn't have done this. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, no. No, okay, just Still sticky. Go into the bowl, please. Thank you. Ew. Oh my goodness. Wow. Good job, me. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off now, if I could. No, I would just mess it up. And I'm gonna just put as much as activator I could. Put a lot of activator as possible. Okay. Here it is. You need a lot of activator if you're gonna use it like that. So, there's still activator in the bowl. So here's the slime. I got most of the slime off of my hands that I got from before. Yeah, need it. Yeah, you can tell it's sticky if it does that very fast. Wow, okay. No, dang it, it got on my table now. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. Go in there. Again. And I'm gonna start to mix it with the fork or whatever. Because look at my hands, oh my goodness. Or grab the activator. Put it in there. Grab this. I don't want to get it on my phone. It's because the stickiness that's on my hands is starting to get into here and making it sticky again. That's why. Just trying to get it off. On my hand. Okay. Okay, and here it is. Again, same texture. It'll probably get sticky again. Hopefully not. Don't go on my table, even though the coloring and most of the slime got on it. It's actually my desk, not my table. I don't want it to get dirty again. Okay. Oh no. the only reason why it gets sticky is because I keep on playing with it. Open this one up. Come on. No, please don't tell me there's like a thing. Well, hi. Okay. Yeah, I made a mess, and oh, there's my dad.
Hi guys. Dinner's ready, Nikki.
Okay, thank you.
Whenever you're ready, come and eat.
Okay, thanks. I should have asked him if he could have gotten me a towel. Dang. Look at that. Slime 1 messed up. Dang. I'm gonna look in my drawer if there's like any. Okay, this is old, and I don't even wear it anymore. Should I use it? I could just throw it away because it's definitely not fitting me anymore. I had this since I was like a little kid, very little. I'm not gonna wear it again, but I don't want to mess it up, even though I'm not gonna wear it again. Okay. Next. Why do I keep on doing that? I know it's gonna get sticky again. Well, I'm just trying to make it so that I can actually okay. Right now I'll put it down so that it doesn't get sticky anymore. It's been sitting in the activator for a little bit. Mix it up. My hand again. And come on, get all this. Yes, I know I'm going fast so that it doesn't get sticky on me again. And I'm not gonna mix it. Yeah, and I'm gonna just do this.
Hi guys, I'll just bring her dinner.
Thank you. Ooh.
Ooh, see what you made. Show the peoples
Okay.
what I made here. Bam! You got some salmon, a couple strawberries, some potatoes and green beans. Oh, can't even see it.
It's salmon, macaroni, some cauliflower, broccoli, potatoes,
Ooh, that looks
green
good.
beans, and some strawberries. Could you please bring me a towel?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, see your face.
I don't want to get the slime on my food. So I just asked him to get me a towel
Here you go.
so I could put this away. Thanks. Okay, yeah. Get it off. I'm gonna just use my hands to get it off now, okay? Now I'm using the towel. And I'm not gonna be done with this video yet because I haven't made a video in a long time. Yes, I'm aware of that. So, I also have water right here. Get all the slime off me. Hand sanitizer right there, so I'm gonna go use some and yeah. Look at my hands. And look at this mess. Oh my goodness. I'm keeping this towel near me, like on my lap. There. Yeah, I'm gonna just put my food like that so that I don't get any slime on it. I'm gonna move this. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat my food when this video is done, and I'm gonna probably have to put it in the microwave. Okay, time to. Okay, this slime doesn't work at all. Probably. Should I get it again? I'm gonna just move everything. Oh no! Okay, move all this and go into here. And use a towel to there we go. You look at that. So let me see. Even though I have a lot of stuff to do, I'm gonna still do it, make it. Okay, let's grab a bowl. Put in this clear glue. I think there's like a thing to cover it. Yeah, there is. There we go, got it. Ooh, if I put, okay, now I have to, I'm gonna put this one in. Oh my goodness. It got all over my face. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I picked it up. That was on my face. Dang, okay. It didn't go everywhere. I'm okay. Let's continue this. I'm okay. Dang, that was literally stuck on there. Yep, definitely have to clean that mess up. And I hope that made a laugh out of you guys. Or you guys, like, I hope you guys laughed about that, because that was funny. But to my room, no, it wasn't. So I'm sure you guys are laughing right now. Thank you for laughing. But on my curtains, take a long time to put back on. It's probably gonna have to stay there now, but it's okay. Still gonna keep this video going, cause you guys are my subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, cause I did not mean for that to happen. And yeah, I opened up the food coloring and look what happened. It was literally.
You get it on video?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
It got in my face too.
Eat some dinner.
Huh?
Eat some dinner.
Okay. I'll eat some dinner right now. But I'm just gonna finish the slime. All I gotta do is put activator in it, and then I'll eat some dinner. But like, oh my goodness, it got all over my face. I cleaned it up. It even got in my hair. Oh yeah, the thing is on it. There's slime on me now, and dang, I'm gonna have to clean this all up after dinner. Dang, it got everywhere. Well, not everywhere, but it got on my wall. Dang, it even got on my ceiling. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I don't want to talk about it anymore, because it's not your guys' fault, it's mine, so don't say that you're sorry. It's just that was on very tight. So here's the slime. Okay, mixing it up. I thought it would be like actual slime, not like this, but oh well. At least slime, not like that one. Well, the other one was slime, but sticky. This one is better. Ow. I bent my pinky. I went like this. Okay. I wish I knew how to edit. Well, editing is easy, but the only thing for us, we got a computer, right? And we just can't upload the videos to the computer that we use from the GoPro. But at least I have my phone to make the videos on. That's good. And yeah, so here's the slime. This is a very good one. But is this supposed to go in now? So let's move everything. Yeah, this is clay. Ooh. That's cool. So let's get the whole clay out. See what I have to put in. So this should be enough. Okay, let's see. 3, 2, 1. Every time I want to make a slime, I always look for clay, but could never find it. At least this is clay. I have 2, so if I ever want to make another slime, I could always use it if I want to. Ooh, I think I put too much clay. But at least we make a buttery texture. And yeah, I think I put too much. Guys, so this slime is good, but the other slime, bad. Look at that. I'm gonna put a little bit more food coloring in it. So let's grab some food coloring. Let's bring it over here. Okay, I don't want to get it on my hands, but I'm gonna wash my hands after this video. I'm gonna use this. No, I'm not. I'm gonna use my hands. Please don't get any food coloring on myself. So these are my hands right now. Because of the oh, something happened. Like my nose, like something was in it. And I just sneezed, but it didn't let me. And it coughed instead. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, this is so good. I'm keeping this definitely. I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. I don't know about that. I want to show you guys right now. Definitely am. Oh, I definitely hope that when I was opening it, that's not the picture for the thing, because I can't take a picture for it. My hair almost got into slime. I almost said my slime almost got in my hair, but both things could work. Okay, well, I'm just picking up the food dye that's on my table. Yes, the food dye definitely got. Well, it's not food dye, it's actually dye. It got on my neck. A little bit got on my hair. Got on my curtains out of right here and my. Well, okay, yeah, you guys already know about that, so I'm not going to talk about it anymore. Should I put this clay back in it again? Well, I don't want it to mess up. So I'm going to just keep this in. Where should I put it? Because I don't like to put glitter in my slime anymore. Because when I do, it just messes it up. And I don't really like glitter. Glitter is pretty, but I don't like it in my slime or anything else. Here's the slime. Here's slime too. That works out good. And I don't even want to touch the bowl. Ugh. your slime one that did not work. And I'm in love with slime 2 because this one is so cute and I love it so much. Honestly, I feel like this is the best slime I've ever made in my entire life, pretty much. Okay. Well, here it is. Let's put it on the table and like. It's made for one finger only to do it, and yeah, this slime is good. And I'm about to eat dinner, and yeah. Bye everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't. Put on the bell to watch more videos of mine. And thank you guys so much for watching. And yes, this is a long video. Bye.